is 4.5 cups of pineapple, a box of pectin, and half a teaspoon of butter. And this has to come to a complete boil that cannot be knocked down when it's stirred. I call it an angry boil. So if I can do this and it's still boiling, that's when we add the sugar. See that? Now it's time for the sugar. Once it gets to this point, it goes super fast. That was 5.5 cups of sugar. I already had it pre-measured out. Same thing. Get it all mixed up good, and then this has to come back up to a complete angry boil that you cannot knock down by stirring. And the butter that I put in here originally is to minimize the foaming. Alright, you see how it's boiling and it's not going down when I stir it? Just going to boil it like this for just a minute. I can turn the heat off, it's hot enough. Move y'all back because I'm fixing to have to move this over here. I've got my jars in the oven, so I'm going to pull them out 2 at a time. 4.5 cups of that. Box of pectin. Use this one. It's not in the dishwasher, so to make sure there's no sticky bits or anything on it. This is hot. When you're putting the rings on, it's just finger tight, just like that. You don't crank them down on there. Down on there, then you run the risk of this thing bowing, and then it compromises your seal. And we just drop this down in here. The water needs to be above the lid level. It looks like. And these are going to process for 5 minutes.